Hey, what's up? Today you're here to learn how to add the subscribe button and the bell button and all those jazz with cool looking animation. And it's so complex. How the hell do I add that to my video? I'm going to make it very simple for you today. It's just 5 minutes you need to do. Couple of clicks, you'll be able to have the subscribe button for yourself. And how do you get that all for free? Because right now you have to pay for apps, and Adobe Premiere costs a lot of money, and other premium editing tools can do these kind of tricks, but they all cost money. But how can you do it for free? I'm going to show you how. First, you need to go look at the description. I'm going to put two links. One, I'm going to give you the actual software that can be done for free. This is what I'm using right now. You can look around. This whole software is what we are going to use. It's called Davinci Resolve. It's a free edition. It's really powerful application, video editing software, and you get the whole thing for free. They have a studio version as well. I'll put the link as well, but you don't need that. You just can do everything that studio edition can do with the free edition. And then I'm going to show you a website where you can download all these cool animations for free. And then when you get those animations, you come back and we are going to put them over here into the bin, and then we are going to start editing. Okay, let's go to the website to download the cool animation that you're looking for. So to get your subscription animation, we are going to go to a website called Pixabay. Pixabay is a free website. You can download all sort of images, videos and stuff like that. So when you get there, you're going to ensure that you're going to switch to videos, and then in the videos you're going to search for subscribe, and these on the top usually comes as their commercial products that they are putting ads. You don't want to click on those, so make sure you go to the free stuff here. Okay, so then you're going to look for the subscription button you like. So if you move your mouse over it, it's going to show you different animation. So you can see different versions of the subscribe button. So the one I'm going to be using today is I'm going to be using this one. Okay, so I will basically click on that, and then you can download it. All right, we are back at Davinci Resolve. Over here, when you get the downloaded file, you're gonna bring it over here. So this is the subscribe button that I downloaded. But before that, I need my original video that I'm going to put the subscribe button on top of it. So to show that video, let's say I took a video of my fireplace. This fire video is what I'm going to use. It's gonna prompt you sometimes if you have a different frame rates. I have 29 frames, I believe, on this video. So it's asking me to change the frame rate because of the source is recorded in a different frame rate, like it could be 25. So you just go change. Then when you change it, it's gonna go there. Then you're gonna put the downloaded subscribe button in the media pool as well. So the media pool area is where you're going to keep all your videos and stuff like that. You can do like folders and stuff like that. They call it bin, so you can say videos or something like that, and then you can just drop all your videos there, open it up. Then first thing you need to do is you need to add this guy to your timeline. Timeline is like your actual editing area where you're going to drop a bunch of videos and edit them, right? So in this case, I'm just going to show you how to do the section of the subscribe button animation into this video. Okay, if you want more stuff, I have other videos. You can go watch them as well. How to do editing and end-to-end, how to edit the stuff and bring them all the way to YouTube. All those things, I have it there. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel as well, and also click on the bell button. Okay, the animation you're going to look down here is how we are going to do this animation. So first thing, I'm going to add my actual source that will be on the number 1 area. So if you watch it, like it's just a video animation of fire on me. Okay, so I'm gonna switch my my cameras. I have different views so that I don't get burned. There you go. And now we are going to go. So once when you add the video, if you notice, there's a timeline automatically created. Timeline is like the actual board or slate that you're going to add videos and work on them, right? If you go click on this, you will go back to the beginning. Then you're going to go into your folder and grab the subscribe video that you want to put on top of it. So if you think that's all you gotta do, you're wrong. There's few more clicks and you will be done. I'm going to show you quickly. So this here now, going to, when I play it, if you press space bar on your keyboard, it will play as well. It's going to cover the entire screen and it's too big. I don't want it that way, right? So how do you get rid of all these green stuff and then you wanted to add that into a smaller size? To do that, you're going to go into the Fusion tab of the Davinci Resolve. So Fusion tab is kind of like where the magic happens. If you go there, it's kind of scary looking screen. Don't worry. I will ensure that I'm going to transition myself. So the goal here is to get rid of all these green stuff and then just leave it with these videos here, right? To do that, we need to add something called delta keying. Delta keying is built in and available for you for free. Before that, you wanted to disconnect your actual source because this is not exactly what we want the output to be. We want to get rid of the green stuff, then put that as the output. And here, Davinci's nodes area, that's what they call it, nodes. So you connect different nodes and modify your video like block by block, and then you will get the output what you want. It's almost like a filters, right? You put a different filters to, you know, clear all the dirt and you just get what you want, right? Clean video. So similar to that, they have this. In order to disconnect, you go move your mouse over, it will have a small blue color highlight. So you're just gonna click on that and that will get rid of your current media output. Your video will disappear. Oh my God, why the hell did we do that? We don't want to do that, right? So to bring back the video, before that, I can show you a cool trick. There are 2 screens here. If you move your mouse over, there's 2 dots here. You can click on the first dot, your video will appear here. But the output is already selected as number 2. There's nothing coming here. If I want to connect it again, I can click on that square and drag and drop it here. It will appear. That's the output it's going to be. But we don't want that. We want to get rid of the green stuff. So to do the green stuff, get rid of the green stuff, you're going to press Control space on the PC. I think Command and spacebar on Mac computers. Then you're going to search for something called delta, and voila, there's delta key will appear. So you're just going to double click on it or click on that and click on add. Will automatically add to your actual source of your video, which is our green subscribe video, right? Then what we are going to do is there's a square here. We are going to take that and connect to the media out. Still, there's nothing happened. So you must be like, oh, what just happened, right? We don't get anything if you just connect that delta keying. You need to configure that. So to do that, go into this background color properties under the tools for the delta key here. So ensure that you have delta key selected. Then you're going to go grab this guy, click on it and drag it and put it on top of what you wanted to remove. In this case, green. If I move the mouse over to the red, it's going to get rid of the red. So it basically makes it into an alpha channel. So it's really a simple way to just drag and drop this guy here, drag and drop it here. So ensure you click on it and drag it, otherwise it won't come. Okay, you have to click. So when I play this, for example, it's gonna, you know, play without the green stuff, right? But still not enough for us. What we wanted to do is, I'm gonna stop this. This is the animation we just made. So let's watch it for one more time. Okay, so I'm gonna stop that. I wanted to, so let's bring this guy. So you can drag this and over here. I want to make this guy a little bit smaller. I don't like it. It's too big and it's in the middle of the video. We wanted to put this video while we are playing the actual fire, right? So to make this into a smaller size, what you got to do is you're gonna select your media source or the delta gear, and there's a transform button here with two tiny arrows here. You click on that. That will already made it smaller, but ensure you have this transform selected. There's a X, Y positions, and you can play around with the size here, right? There's a size button. You can play around with it. Then if you want to move, you can select this circle here and you can move there, or you can have the X, Y coordinates here. You can just drag it down. So you click on the box and drag it down or up, it will go. So I would like to have it about there. That's where I want the video to have, you know, my subscribe button. So once when I do that, I'm happy with it. I wanted to make a little bit more smaller, so I'm happy with the size. Now we go back to our edit page, and then we go all the way to the beginning, and we are going to play the video and see the magic. You see that? Nice looking, beautiful bell, and you know, it disappears. That's how we do chroma keying on a subscribe video. So very simple. Follow this video again. You will get it, and ensure that your friends also subscribe to our channel because we just taught you how to get a lot of subscription for your YouTube video. Hopefully this is helpful to you, and we are going to have more cool videos about how to do YouTube stuff and YouTube videos on our channel. Please subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching this video.